Hey everyone, Jody from Bird Off-Road Adventures here today. We're going to go over to rear axle upgrades for the new Ford Bronco. Stay tuned. Alright, so as many of you all know, when we did the video for the front drive unit upgrade, the Ford Performance front drive unit upgrade, we had a thought, why not just buy once, cry once? We're going to have to drop the rear end out of the truck anyway to put the rock crawler 4-link triangulated kit in, which we're still waiting on that to arrive, by the way. So once that gets in, we should be good to go as far as trying to get scheduling to get this installed. But anyway, since they're having to take all that out, I figured, why not go ahead and just upgrade and make this thing as bulletproof as we can without having to upgrade to the Dana 60. So we did reach out to our friends at Total Off-Road up in Naperville, Illinois before we left Illinois. Actually, it was on our way out to Arizona from Illinois. We stopped by in the U-Haul truck and picked these bad boys up on the drive out. So these are the Yukon axles. You'll notice that there is a difference on side to side, the different length. This one here has about 9 inches of splines, whereas that only has about 3. We did also get the just wanting to fall down here. Sorry about that. We also did get the bearing kit. Now, I did only get one of these. I need to buy another one, so one for each side. For some reason, I thought they might be for both sides. But anyway, I got to get another one of these. They're not that much. That won't be a big issue. But these are chrome moly axles, so they should hold up pretty well. And plus, we'll keep the stock axles for backup. So like say, if we happen to break these by some miracle, we'll be able to put the stock ones back in, hopefully if we hadn't sheared everything. If we just break an axle, we can always put the stock ones back in. But anyway, long story short, we got the new ring and pinion that I showed you guys last time. We also got these axles. We got the rock crawler kit coming in, the new bearing kit we got here. So we're going to be rocking and rolling here pretty soon. It's just a matter of getting stuff in. We reached out to our friends over at Deutsch Off-Road here in the Phoenix area about getting all this installed. So as soon as we get everything in, we'll have a little more serious talk with them and trying to schedule it. I am a humble guy. This is kind of out of my scope when it comes to re-gearing, and when it comes to suspension and drivetrain work, I'm very limited. I don't have the tools and resources or the proper training to do that right. And if you're going to spend this much money, you want it done right. So I'm humble enough to admit that, I'm not capable of doing everything necessarily, especially with it being my daily driver and me being limited on the tools and stuff I have. So anyway, enough rambling on from me. We'll do some footage here so you guys can see this stuff up close. But, as soon as we get everything in, we'll let you guys know. And we'll hit a trail to see how it works. Stay tuned. One thing I did forget to mention, as you can see here, these do not come with the wheel studs or the lug studs, whatever you want to call it. So I will buy some of those from stock replacement ones from Ford and put those in there. I did reach out to Deutsch and they said that should be fine. I don't know if many aftermarket companies make them, so they're not that expensive if you buy them from Ford. I think they're like maybe $7 or $8. You can find them someplace $7 or $8. But I want to mention that real quick, and we'll get to rolling. As always, really appreciate everybody watching. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button. We got some more trails to hit here soon, and we'll have more videos to come. Thank you so much.